everybody, welcome to this channel. Today in this video we're going to make some vanilla almond milk. I've made almond milk before, so if you want, check that out. It's chocolate milk. But today I'm going to make vanilla almond milk, which I'm really excited to do, except it's really similar to the chocolate milk, but I thought I'd show you anyway. For this I'm using half a cup of soaked almonds. So what I did was I soaked these almonds in water overnight, and then I just drained them out. And so yeah, you have to do that to make the milk. And I've also got half a litre of water, just regular tap water. I've got some vanilla bean paste. I like to use the vanilla bean paste because it's got actual vanilla like seeds in it, but you can use vanilla extract as well. I've got some salt, I'm just going to use a little bit, and some dates as the source of sugar. Yeah, so first I'm going to take these dates and quickly pit them. I'm just going to take a knife. For this I'm using 3 dates, but you can increase the amount of dates or decrease them depending on how sweet you like it, or if you even want it sweet. Before I put this to blend, I'm just going to put some boiling water to let them soften, so when they blend more evenly and they are less likely to be chunky. So while that soaks, I'm just going to get my NutriBullet cup thing, and I'm going to put the almonds, 500 mils of water, I just realized it's supposed to be 400 ml of water. I'm gonna just put about a teaspoon of vanilla, and just a pinch of salt. The salt just brings out the sweetness of the dates. And I'm just gonna have a look at these dates. Now that they've been sitting in the hot water, they're like much more soft, and so I'm just gonna put them in and I put it on, and now it's time to blend. Blend it for as long as it takes for the almonds to get blended so there aren't any chunks. So I'm just going to pour it in.
So nice. This milk hasn't harmed any animal. So instead of squeezing the udder of a poor cow, you were just squeezing some not milk out of nuts. Woohoo! Go vegan. Is it to go vegan? It means like how much water are we saving from being from being used up? Like, what is the
So for making dairy milk, it takes 800 liters to make 1 liter of milk, whereas for nut-based milks it takes only 200 liters. It still sounds a lot, but compared to 800 liters, you're saving 600 liters of water. So that's like, yeah. And when you're making it at home, I'm assuming you're saving even more water. So yeah. So I'm just taking all that excess, and this can be used, I mentioned in the other video, for like biscuits or muffins. I'm going to make another video on how you can use this, so stay tuned for that. I love how like just smooth this is. It's really satisfying. Oh my god. I really like this one. I think I like it better than the chocolate one. Oh my god. It tastes like banana.
Can I have a
It
taste?
tastes like banana smoothie. It tastes like banana smoothie.
Hey.
Which?
That's so yum. Oh my gosh. Superb! Stop Disney. Woo!
So I've got my good old bell jar.
Give it a good shake.
And I'm just gonna pour it in here so I can keep it in the fridge and drink it whenever I feel like it. So as you can see, it didn't make that much, but if I like doubled the recipe, I think I would be able to like serve for like 4 people. And I wouldn't like put this for cereals and stuff because it's like too sweet, but it's like nice just to drink. Oh my god. It's like really refreshing in a taste. At the moment it's kind of warm. I think it's because it's like I used a bit of like the water's a bit warm, but it'll taste really nice chilled, I think, with like ice. So it's good warm and cool. Thank you everybody for watching this video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you don't give a thumbs down. Just leave. Okay, maybe I shouldn't say that. But yeah, share this with your friends. Maybe you and your buddies can become vegan together and save the world and benefit your health, huh? So give veganism a go. Share this video and comment what you think. Maybe you could give me these new recipes because this is the first time I've ever made this. Like in this video, this was my first time making it. All the videos I make, that's basically me the first time making that thing. So I'm doing this for the first time. You can do this for the first time. Let's all do this for the first time. So yeah, if you've got any other recipes, please comment down below. And I'll see you next time. Bye!